Ferreira. This is my final speech challenge. I talk about to the universe 2 and unit 3. I start. Um, People who will have treated their pairs as if they were human will have cement. Stranger to me is mainly because a pet will have been considered an animal, okay, whose affections will have different and whose the traiter will have needed to be different. Okay, human food will not have been given to have a dressed them because they look cute, but another thing entirely to have forced them because many times, okay, they will not have like it where the those clothes and in the end a very strong emotional depending will have been generate the pets will have because cause helps problems, okay. Unit 3. I dislike cold climate and prefer tropical climate. I have no defense against too cold. They withers, causes allergy and pain in my lung. Okay. Uh, okay. I study says that people in cold climate tend to end their life in summer months. Okay, so, society. Both think that place to place for with for seasons that in place where freezing temperature are temporary and heat is temporary. Because in a country like Venezuela, it's impossible because we have a summer any year. Thank you.